This is Ajay, about to receive interest income on his fixed deposit. This is Ajay receiving interest income after tax deduction. Why crunch your wishes and desires? Don't let taxes ruin your happiness. Whether it's salary, interest income or capital gain, there's no escaping taxes. You can earn regular income from your investments in mutual funds, that too in a tax-efficient way. SWP or Systematic Withdrawal Plan is a source of secondary regular income. It invests your capital in mutual funds and offers better returns than traditional investment options like FD or real estate. One of the main benefits of SWP is that it is tax efficient. Long-term gains are tax-free up to Rs 1 lakh in a financial year. Also, long-term capital gains over Rs 1 lakh are taxed only at 10% instead of your tax slab. Choose a tax-efficient investment option. Choose SWP, Systematic Withdrawal Plan in Mutual Funds.